Hi, it's your sewing Sherpa Shauna here at Needles and Knots in Tucson, Arizona, and I want to apologize to all of you. I am very sorry that I sent you off from the workshops without any support. I mean, it recently crossed my mind that nowadays you can actually create an entire package that goes with the workshop if you think about it. I don't know. I'm a little bit of a slow learner. I've been sewing for 48 years, and sometimes I just forget that as a beginner sewer, you need a lot of support. You need support with purchasing the fabric before the class so that you enjoy the process and feel accomplished. And you need support after the workshop so that you can do the process again confidently and comfortably. So I'm creating packages that will go in with the email, the confirmation email after you sign up, and packages that will go in with the follow-up email that will have more information and more tutorials. Some of you may read them and watch them, and some may not. But anyways, I purchased the cameras, I purchased the lighting equipment, I've got things set up, I've got a little team that I'm pulling together, a crew, that's right, I have a film crew, and we're gonna start filming, and you can expect more from Needles and Knots from now on. And please let me know after you receive your packages what more you want, what more information you need, what I left out, what was too much. I mean, this is a process, it's new for me, and I look forward to seeing you in the workshops, and I want you to know I got your back. Okay, keep on sewing.